Modern AI agents process enormous amounts of information every second. But without layered security, a single attack can compromise the entire system. Defense in Depth protects AI using multiple independent security layers. Even if one defense is bypassed, the remaining layers continue protecting the application.
Every user prompt, uploaded document, API response, and retrieved knowledge is treated as untrusted until it has been carefully inspected. Advanced security scanners detect prompt injections, malware, sensitive information, invalid content, and suspicious requests before they ever reach the language model. Prompt injection attempts try to manipulate an AI's behavior. Strong input validation stops these attacks before they can influence the model. Once validated, the request enters the AI reasoning engine, where guardrails guide every decision the model makes. System prompts, safety policies, confidence scoring, and human review ensure the AI selects trustworthy and policy-compliant responses. Modern AI agents interact with powerful enterprise tools. Every connection must be carefully controlled to prevent unauthorized actions. Instead of executing every request, secure AI verifies permissions, follows least privilege principles, and requires approval for sensitive operations. Risky operations run inside isolated sandboxes, ensuring that unexpected behavior never impacts production systems.
Before reaching users, every AI response passes through another layer of intelligent security and quality verification. Output filtering automatically detects and removes sensitive information, protecting personal data and ensuring regulatory compliance. Responses are evaluated for hallucinations, policy violations, harmful content, and overall relevance before delivery.
Observability provides complete visibility into every interaction, enabling teams to monitor, troubleshoot, audit, and continuously improve AI systems. Every prompt, reasoning step, tool call, response, latency metric, and operational cost is recorded to create a complete execution history. No single security control can stop every threat. Layered defenses work together to create resilient and trustworthy AI systems. From healthcare and finance to customer service and software engineering, layered guardrails enable organizations to deploy AI with confidence. Building trustworthy AI isn't about singles that protect users and enterprise systems.